I removed the chicken. I've already defrosted it, all of it, and I'm already defreezing the fish. I decided to only use 3 and put some greens for flavoring. And we got the rice and the potatoes. With this one, I've decided I don't want to pre-cook it. I'll peel it, then I'll pack it. Then as I'm taking the food, I'll boil it. But this one, I can boil it. I'll just boil like half here so that it doesn't get ruined. And then we'll see as we go ahead. So let's start with the chicken. I have to use a big pot. Okay, we're gonna boil it first, and then I think we'll spice it later. So okay, so I think she's big enough. Okay, let me get with my salt. Okay, first of all, I think I'm going to add this some oil while it's boiling, just a little bit of it. A little bit of it, just a little bit of that. For the flavoring, that's too much. Garlic is always good. I don't want to cut the one, so I got the paste. This is by this one. Yeah, that's what we're gonna use. But these are not the flakes. This is the powder. We're recycling the bottle. Just put that in there. Okay, it's not coming out. That's just. I think that's gonna be enough. Wow. Whoa. It's raining garlic. We always need salt. I don't think salt is a problem. So salt. Is that enough salt? Maybe we should pour it in the water. I'm gonna use some black pepper because we need the flavoring. Okay, where's the black pepper? Okay, so just a black. This is just for the boiling. The black pepper. My dad hates black pepper. But it's my food. Black pepper. Okay, so we're done. They don't look much because I changed my mind. I'm not going to cut all of them because I'm tired and I don't want to ruin them, you know. So I'm just gonna keep these ones like this, and then I'm going to cut them in cubes like this, and then I'll freeze them. I'll freeze them afterwards. I'll probably salt them, put them with black paper and bake them, but I'm not going to do them today. I'm going to freeze them as well. So okay, so with the potatoes we're done. I'm just going to find a bit of paper to put them. Let me not fold this in with all this. Okay, so I'm done with the potatoes. These are for baking and these are for boiling. Because I want to give myself a different variety so I don't get bored. So one of the reasons why I hate dieting is eating the same thing. I didn't cut this guy. eating the same type of food, so you have to make it. So you just spice it with probably some black pepper, some different spices. We have different spices in the house to make the food more interesting, so you're not loathing that. Okay, so let me pop this and then I'll start with the fish. I forgot to actually show you when I started boiling these potatoes, but I added just the same thing I added in the rice. That's water, obviously, the olive oil, salt, except I added a little bit of black pepper. Okay, that's that. Let's see how the rice is. Okay, so it's doing good. Okay, we'll put the potatoes to boil, and this one is the one I'm going to be baking. I've put it in olive oil. That's why there's a little bit of water in there. Some olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Just for the spicing, it'll be enough. I'm gonna put this in the oven. Let me just prepare the pan, and it looks so good. It's so good. The chicken is done. Okay, so I'm gonna spice this. I already oiled the pan. Okay, we'll change. I'm using this one. I showed it before. God, I'm making so much noise. Put so much. I'm going to then mix it with this one. I decided to mix them. This guy. Okay. Oh, that was too much. That was too much. Let's put it in the oven. I switched the oven on. I didn't open the oven. Okay, the oven is on. We're gonna go and put the chicken in the oven and bake it. Okay, goodbye. I decided I'll bake the potato with the chicken because I don't want to have so much work. So, okay. That is the most. Okay, but it's gonna cook and bake. Okay, there it goes. So we're finally starting with the fish. Okay, we're gonna pack it. It. I don't want it to start falling apart. Okay, I think the fish is completely coated, so I'm going to put this in the fridge and then I'll fry it. Chicken is done. It's very hot. I'm going to let it to just dry together with the potato. Oh, that looks good. I already put the fish. This is actually the last batch. There are 3 already ready. And in our last video, okay, so the fish is done. So in my next video, I'm going to start plating. I hope you enjoyed this one. And look at what this is bent. No, it's not bent. Okay, so in this video, I'm actually gonna end it here because I decided to split the video in 3 so that it's not unnecessarily long. So the 3rd video is just going to be me basically putting it in my lunchbox. I'm gonna have to watch some Japanese bento box. This is a fish which is cooked. So delicious. So delicious. Isn't that good? Yeah. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to start plating. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video.